Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on Uber notifications on your iPhone. To get started, locate and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Once in Settings, scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled Notifications and tap on it. Now you'll see a list of all your apps that can send notifications. Scroll down until you find the Uber app and tap on it to access its notification settings. Here's where the magic happens. To enable notifications, simply toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications. Next, make sure all necessary notification alerts are enabled, including options like lock screen notifications, banners, and especially ensuring that sounds are enabled so you never miss an important alert. If you don't see the option to enable Uber notifications in this section, don't worry, there's a simple fix. You will need to delete the Uber app from your device and then download it again from the App Store. After reinstalling, open up the app and log back into your account. When prompted about enabling notifications this time around, just tap Allow and you're all set. And there you have it. A straightforward way to turn on those vital Uber notifications right from your iPhone setting. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.